Hi, my name is Jim Clark. I'm here at EclipseCon to talk about large-scale adoption of Hudson. I am an architect on the Fusion middleware architecture team, and I've been working with Winston on a project to roll out Hudson across Oracle. So the way I've been explaining it to people is today, if you sort of stand in the middle of Oracle campus, you'll look around to all the different buildings, and Hudson will be like, if you imagine a light for every Hudson instance that's running, the campus looks like a Christmas tree. We have little Hudsons running all over the place. And what we want to do is we want to pull all those Hudsons together, and we want one big light, and we want it to be in Salt Lake City. But basically what we're trying to do is we're trying to use Hudson as a platform for rolling out plugins, projects, integrating source code control, integrating QA processes, and we're demonstrating that Hudson can be that platform for a large organization like Oracle to develop. So yeah, we've been working with Hudson with Winston. I like to call you Hudson.
Sure.
We've been working with Winston on this project, and yeah, it's been going great.
Yeah, my name is Winston. I'm actually the project lead for Eclipse Hudson, and one of the things I always hear about the customers or the users of Hudson is that scalability. So when the number of jobs in the Hudson increases, then there's a scalability issues, and then the Hudson crashes, or it runs out of memory and all those things. So the talk what Jim gave today is very interesting because it's exactly what he is trying to accomplish, how we can scale Hudson in a large scale. So I heard you talking about that if you cannot run with one butler, then you hire more butler.
Right.
So then the problem comes. So if you hire more butler, then you have to have another butler to manage all these butlers. So how do you do that?
Yeah. So yeah, I've been calling this project Carson. I'm a Downton Abbey fan, and so Carson is the head butler, and our idea for Carson is that you should be able to a developer should be able to go to Carson and get their own personal butler. And they should be able to develop projects, they should be able to develop new processes, they should be able to develop plugins, and it should be very simple for us to integrate those processes into a larger production system, all coordinated by Carson. So yeah, that was the bulk of the talk.
Yeah, it's a very interesting talk. So as you know that a lot of people came and asked you that if this Carson will be available for us to use. So do you think that we can make this available for these people in the future?
I'm not sure. I hope so. I hope so. I mean, I think what we're proving out here is that Hudson can scale to developers at the level of 5,000-6,000 developers. And so I think the next step in our journey is to try to understand how to capture these patterns and make them available to everyone else.